Hey guys, this is XCC and welcome to the install tutorial for the MGC ModPack. In this video I'll show you how to install the MGC ModPack, obviously, and this is for a Minecraft version 1.2.5, and yeah, so let's get started. In the description of this video there will be two links to download two very important files. The first one is conveniently how to install the MGC ModPack. And you just have to open that up. I've got it here, and this file will give you all the information you need to install all the mods into your mod pack, or for the mod pack. And the second file you need to download is this config-files.zip. So they're the first two downloads you'll have to do, but they're not the only ones. I've got config-files.zip in here. Once you've got those two files, you'll need to follow the instructions in the file. And step 1 is to download these files. Note the categories A, B, and C. So this first one here, you should have already done if you've got this file. And step 2, or not step 2, but the second part of the, step 1 is to download these ones. And note the categories A, B, and C. So you need to download these files. The links will be at the end of this document. They're not there yet, but don't worry, I'll put them there before I upload this. And I've done that and conveniently put them into part A, B, and C. So they're all the files that you will need. So once you've done that, you can proceed to step 2. Make sure you have WinRAR or another archiving program and Notepad++, which is optional, installed. So I've got that installed. I've got WinRAR, Notepad++, and then navigate to your Minecraft.jar file. So there are two ways to do this. You can go to your address bar at the top of your Windows Explorer and type in this %appdata, or another method is to go to your start menu, type run, click on run, type that in and press OK, and that will get you to your .minecraft folder. Okay, so if you go inside your .minecraft folder, you will find a few folders and files in there, and your Minecraft.jar will be in the bin. There we go. There it is. And make sure you make a backup. This is very important in case you get something wrong or something doesn't work. You can use the backup to start again and make a fresh start. So I've already done that. And then just open it up in WinRAR or your archiving program. So I can just right click and open with WinRAR. That's all cool. The next thing you need to do is to delete this folder here, meta-inf. If you don't, it will crash most likely, so get rid of it. And then open ModLoader in WinRAR as well. And that is located in, just make a note here, located in category A of downloads. Okay. So if we go to our downloads part A, you'll see ModLoader's there if you've downloaded it. You need to open this up in WinRAR and all you need to do is drag and drop all the files in ModLoader into your Minecraft.jar. Easy as that. Next step is to drag the contents. Next step. And yes, I did miss number 4, I'll fix that. Repeat for all the other files in category A in the order listed. It's very important you do it in the order listed here. Alright? So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that. First I need to get ModLoader. Sorry, Audio Mod. Then Minecraft Forge. And come on. There we go. Then I need Player API. I don't need these text files, so I'm not going to select them. Then Sparrow API, done. And then code chicken call, drag and drop. And then last but not least, not enough items. Now this is not a necessary mod, but it's a good way to help you test out whether you've installed the mod properly, and if you want to, go into a creative mode and test stuff out. So that's that done, And once you've copied all the files inside these folders into your Minecraft.jar, you are done with WinRAR. You can close all that, and if you just go and run your Minecraft, and oh well, I don't have internet right now, so it won't matter. But just open up Minecraft, and you'll see it works. There'll be a bunch of info here. This is a part of Minecraft Forge, I believe, and it'll let you know 3 mods loaded. And there's a nice mods button here that you can get info about. Some of the mods don't have info, but that doesn't matter. But you'll know all the mods that you have installed. So at the moment, it's actually 4, but okay. But I guess not counting Forge. So it's got Minecraft Forge, Chicken Core, and not enough items. So that's all cool. But obviously we haven't installed the core of this mod pack yet, all the core mods. So we need to do that right now. Let's follow the next step. In your .minecraft folder, locate the mods folder. And if there isn't one, go make one. Now, because I've run Minecraft, there'll be a mods folder. And if you don't have one, like the instruction said, just make one. Make sure you have an S on the end of it. That's important. And you shouldn't have anything in there right now. But we are going to change that. Next, you need to drag all the files in category C, not B, I know, C, into your mods folder. Okay. Oops, why did I open up Firefox? Anyway, into your downloads, category C. This is probably the easiest part of this tutorial. You just need to select all the documents in here that you've downloaded and copy and then paste it into your mods folder. Easy as that. So let me close Firefox. And it's still empty, it's copying. There we go, everything's in there. Cool. That's that step done. Open the zip folders in category B. Okay, so let's go to category B and open up the zip folder. Let's do Portal Gun first. And it says to drag the appropriate files into the mods folder. Now, if you're not reading, if you're not watching this video, then you can just, well, there's no point saying that, but the instructions will be in the README file on how to install. So you can go look at that. Or easier, you can just copy this Portal Gun folder and paste it in your mods. That's all you have to do. And it's going to take a while to copy, so I'll be right back when that's done. Okay, so it's just finished copying, folders there, and yep, I'm going to do it again for the other file in category B, which was Smart Moving. If you open it up, there'll be a bunch of files. Do not worry. All you need to do is select the Smart Moving client for ModLoader and copy that. You can ignore all the other files. It serves no purpose for us. We just need to paste it there, and you're done. You need to run Minecraft. And if I go to this one here and click on this one, that will launch my Minecraft. Log in, and just waiting for it, and it's going to crash. Excellent. Exactly what the instructions say. Minecraft will crash, don't worry. So next what you need to do is extract the contents of the config files.zip and paste the files into your .minecraft folder. Easy enough, right? So into your downloads, you need to extract all the files here. Yep. And once that's done, you'll see a bunch of folders in here. All we need to do is copy them and paste them into, not mods folder, but your .minecraft folder. So this directory here. Paste, and you do want to replace everything it says or asks you for. So next 16 configs, copy and replace, and that will fix all the issues that you had before with your Minecraft crashing. Okay, cool. So now you're pretty much done. Just need to run it, just to make sure. Yep. And everything will be completely fine. Just has to load. It's taking its time. Ta-da! Awesome. 37 mods loaded. That's a lot of mods. But as you can see, if you really wanted to, you could go through all of them in here. They're all there. And most of them don't have any metadata. This one does. Nice. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. And it's crashed. That's weird. Okay, I guess don't mess around with that mod loader thing. But don't worry, besides that, should be fine. Let's close that other one, just starting it again. So okay, that's I've never encountered that problem before, but other than that, Minecraft runs perfectly fine, so just ignore that, pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so that's all fine. Single player, let's create a new world. And just see that you can actually run around and, you know, everything works. And it will be a little laggy as the world is generating and I am recording, so just bear with that for a moment. Yep, I seem to always spawn in the jungle biome, I don't know why. And it's really laggy, of course. Let's just give it a moment's space to load. And just check my settings, everything's cool. Yep, everything's fine. Let's back to game. And it's still really laggy, okay. But you get the gist, everything works. If you do want to check that you've loaded all your mods, just open up your inventory and not enough items should be open. And you can go through all the items and mods that you've got. And you see industrial craft, equivalent exchange, forestry, portal gun, more forestry, buildcraft, railcraft, doggy talents, RedPower, Steve's carts, and yeah, some blocks up here as well. So you can see everything here is fine. Everything's working, everybody's happy. One last thing I do want to do is, you might have noticed this folder here. This is my world. I'm going to load it in oh, I've already got it there. Oh, that's weird. I don't want that. I want this version here. And in a single player, you'll see my world is nicely loaded there. And I'm going to play it to show you guys that there's exactly the same version I have here, and everything works just fine in this world. And it's going to be a little laggy, but you can see, let me switch cheat mode off. So yep, everything's cool in this world. It's just a little laggy at the moment. Let me switch it to short. Okay, that's better. Okay, maybe not. And you will notice some weird bugs with your some weird bugs. Yep, machine's disappearing. That's fine. That's because it's just portal gun and forge, I think, just having a few problems. But if you close your portals, everything should be fine, except for that. I don't know what that is. Yep. So you see, there's no more of that weird thing here, and my relay and collector are staying as relays and collectors. So yep, everything's cool, everything's fine. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any problems or queries, feel free to leave a comment or go to our website at www.multiplegamingcrew.com, and if you head to our forums, there will be a post for this, and if you have any problems, just post your details there and I'll try and help you out. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and have fun. Hey guys, this is XCC and welcome to the install tutorial for the MGC ModPack. In this video I'll show you how to install the MGC ModPack, obviously, and this is for Minecraft version 1.2.5. And yeah, so let's get started. In the description of this video there will be two links to download two very important files. The first one is conveniently how to install the MGC ModPack, and you just have to open that up. I've got it here, and this file will give you all the information you need to install all the mods into your modpack, or for the modpack. And the second file you need to download is this config files.zip. Step 1 is to download these ones, and note the categories A, B, and C. So you need to download these files. The links will be at the end of this document. They're not there yet, but don't worry, I'll put them there before I upload this. And I've done that and conveniently put them into part A, B, and C. So they're all the files that you will need. So once you've done that, you can proceed to step 2. Make sure you have WinRAR or another archiving program and Notepad++, which is optional, installed. So I've got that installed. I've got WinRAR, Notepad++, and then navigate to your Minecraft.jar file. So there are two ways to do this. You can go to your address bar at the top of your Windows Explorer and type in this %appdata. So they're the first two downloads you'll have to do, but they're not the only ones. I've got config files.zip in here. Once you've got those two files, you'll need to follow the instructions in the file. And step 1 is to download these files. Note the categories A, B, and C. So this first one here, you should have already done if you've got this file. And step 2, or not step 2, but the second part